गोवा क्रिकेट असोसिएशनान गोवा कॉर्पोरेट लीग 2018चें आयोजन केलां. हें लीग 1 मार्चा सावन सुरू जातलें. 8 टिमी घेवन ह्या लिगाक सुरवात जातली म्हण म्हायती डॉ केतन भाटीकार हांणी दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पर्वरेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
1 मार्चाक इनॉग्रेट जातली आनी 3 मार्चा पासून आमची पयली मॅच जातली. सो टीम्स पार्टिसिपेटिंग एट दीस मोमेंट आर your Delhi Daredevils called as GMR, which is the IPL team, your Reliance Mumbai Indians, which is the second team, Reserve Bank of India is the third team, Air India is the fourth team, ONGC is the fifth team, IOC is the sixth team, DY Patil is the seventh team, and Goa Tuskers is the eighth team. The team A, Goa Tuskers, will be led by Shadab Jagati, and it's owned by a owner called Mr. Arvind Reddy from Bangalore, who is the owner of Bellary Tuskers. So we are starting this tournament with 8 teams, and on 1st March we are having the inaugural.
Is firstly love for India, my passion for cricket, and fondness of Parkinson's disease. So I have done like 6 years of research in Parkinson's disease at King's College Hospital. And one thing is, you have that spark. Sometimes you're not satisfied. You agree or not? 100. I'll say, I can't satisfy all my patients. Yeah, you can't. There is one spark that you won't be happy with your consultant. That spark is not I'm bad, not I'm an idiot. That spark, the reason is I am not aware of the new treatment.